Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play error OR-REH-04. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Google Play Store app on your phone or tablet. Over here, go back to the item you want to buy and tap the price next to the current payment method. After that, tap the down arrow and choose a different payment method or add a new one. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. After that, go to your phone settings. Over here, scroll to apps and locate the Google Play Store. Then tap Force Stop, and after that, tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. Then check if your card address matches the address in Google Payments. Over here, if your credit card is registered to a different address, that can cause the payment to be declined. After that, check the zip code and make sure it matches your current address. Finally, make sure the billing address for your payment method matches the address in your Google Play account. If they don't, update your address and try the transaction again. So that's basically how you can fix Google Play error OR-REH-04. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.